Welcome back to another MVP Monday. In this episode, I want to talk about focus. I see so many people in the community getting a little bit of knowledge here, a little bit of knowledge there, a little bit of knowledge over there. When I first started my career in Microsoft Business Applications, I focused on Dynamics CRM. That was a long time ago, 2003 when I started. I just focused in that one area and I went deep. And I remember a business individual, he was assessing my company for an award right back in the early days. And he said, why are you just focused on Microsoft technologies? What happens if Microsoft goes away? And I laughed at him because it showed he didn't really understand how big a deal Microsoft was in the world scene. But you know what? I've stayed focused for all these years on a single technology. And it's been one of the keys to my success is by staying focused. So when I talk to you now about how to become an MVP, I'm also going to talk about focus and the need to be focused on one thing. Get known for knowing one thing really, really well, right? Be a guru on one thing and be known for that. So first of all, I say stay within your lane. Pick a lane and stay within it. Go in that lane for at least 1 to 2 years and go really, really deep in that lane. Now that might be, for you, Power Apps. It might be Flow. It might be Power BI. Or it could be Dynamics 365. And when we look at Dynamics 365, we should be looking at depth in a specific one of those as well. So is it Dynamics 365 for field service, or Dynamics 365 sales, or Dynamics 365 customer service, or Dynamics 365 XXX, whatever you want it to be. What I'm saying, become focused in one area. Make your contributions deep in one area. Once you have developed that focus, once you've developed that depth of understanding, and in the community you're known for that thing, only then should you look at branching out. I like to say, be known for one thing before you are known for many things. I've talked about Ulrich from San Francisco, otherwise known as the CRM chart guy. I think of him as Ulrich von Liechtenstein. But he's one guy that went deep, deep, deep into charts. He became known around the world for charts. He became a guru in charts. And that's allowed him to then expand his knowledge into other areas. And it's not that he doesn't know those other areas. He became known for one thing and known really well all around the world for that one thing. My question to you, what area are you focusing on? In the next 12 to 18 months, maybe 2 years, what is going to be your key skill area that you're going to be known on? So whether it's speaking, whether it's answering forums, whether it's blog posting, any type of content, YouTube videos, what are you going to be known for? There's many people in this community, if you look a little further, you will see they're focused in one key area before they went broad in multiple areas. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to get notified every time that I do a new post. I hope you found it helpful. If you have a friend that you think this would be helpful for them, share it with them, because the idea of focus doesn't apply just to be around how to become an MVP. It applies in every single part of your life. Ciao for now.